London through a plastic bag. This is all you get, future children. I mean, children in the future. There's Big Ben. This is pretty much how you experienced it, though. Right through your stroller visor things. There's Zozo. Hi, Zoe girl. Hi. Oh, you're cute through this plastic bag. Hi. Oh, blocking your light. Hi. I'm taking a video in this baggie. Isn't that funny? It looks weird, doesn't it? We're all wet. Just like your baby doll. There's that better? No. Still blurry. I see you up here. Look up here. Hi. And that is our view.
There we are.
Family trip 2017. Yeah.
Round one.
In the rain. Looks awesome. Let's go the other way. That's Parliament Building. City. London Eye, which they now have renamed the Coca-Cola London Eye. Rude! And a little family. You want to cross to the other side? Sure. Let's go, wait, this way. We came from that way. That's where our train was. Those lights over there are so pretty and you cannot even tell.